Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Auto Detailing. Please forgive me, I didn't clean the rim. I'm trying to expedite this video and talk about something that I found that I've been walking past forever. I just quickly did one scrub of the wheel. It probably needs to be scrubbed one more time, but the purpose of this video really is to talk about, I've been walking past this Eagle One tire dressing applicator at AutoZone. I don't know, probably been walking by it for years, looking at the little package going, who would buy this stuff? It doesn't even make sense. Typically I'll use like a microfiber or a foam applicator pad, like a round one, and just apply the tire dressing. I've been playing with this thing for about 2 months. What's really interesting is I think the package cost me, I don't know if it was $2.99 or $3.99, so this might be like $1.50. It comes in two, you know, when you buy the package, it comes with two of them. So this thing I think cost me about $1.50. What I love about it, because when I first looked at it, I said, oh, this thing's gonna fall apart. It's probably flimsy, will start to fall apart. I've had this one for a couple months, almost using it daily, and I love it. It's got like this styrofoam firm handle on here, which is nice, and then you've got this contoured or beveled applicator which allows you to get close to the rim and apply your tire dressing. Again, I was really shocked that this thing's holding up, and for the fact that I paid about $1.50 for this thing, even if it lasted a month, I see this as a disposable item. Throw it away, grab the other one that's in the package, and keep on going. But what I love about it, I'll show you how it works. It's pretty simple, right? But I got a water-based dressing here, and what I'm going to do is just spray it onto this applicator, get it nice and moist all the way around there. Try not to shoot it all over the place, Scott. Maybe rub my finger over it so I've got even distribution of the product across that little styrofoam pad. And because it's contoured, I can get right up against the rim and just kind of apply the dressing all the way around the tire. How funny is this, right? How sexy is this? This is no fun. But I'll just go around this tire lightly with this applicator. Again, if I want to get in there tight around the rim, I can just kind of turn it on an edge or lift it up on an edge so I can get right up across that rim. And what's cool is when you're using this thing, it's perfectly contoured for this size tire. But let's say this was a high profile tire. I said, boy, is this beveled area going to kind of drive me nuts? But if you put this thing sideways, it collapses and then the foam becomes completely flat. And you can kind of dress the tire this way as well if you're working on a large profile tire that's a little bit too big for the applicator. Folks, I don't know why, but for $1.50 buying this thing and being able to apply a tire dressing that quickly all the way around the tire, I love it. It's a water-based dressing. It's not going to sling all over the paint. This thing's been lasting me for about 2 months. I don't see any like horrible wear and tear from it. For $1.50, I can throw this thing away. Even if it lasted me a month, it wouldn't concern me. I absolutely love it. I love the way it contours over this type of tire with this profile, which is about average that you're going to see on most daily drivers. If the profile's too big, I just turn it sideways and work the applicator over the tire. It's just, I love it. I can get real tight right around that rim and on the tire, and I just get even, easy distribution. The thing's lasting a while for me. I love it. It's made by Eagle One. If you go to AutoZone, it comes in a 2-pack in a little plastic bag at AutoZone, made by Eagle One. I laughed. I said, you know what? This is going to be a miserable fail. It's not going to last all that long. Folks, that is really incredible to distribute that dressing evenly around the tire that quickly. I absolutely love it. I wanted to share it with you. For $1.50, if this thing lasts me another month and I have to throw it away, it's great. The little styrofoam stiff handle keeps my hand away from the foam. I don't get dressing all over my hand. I love it. Just wanted to share it with you. Eagle One at AutoZone. Really cheap, effective, efficient tire dressing applicator, and it works really well. Talk to you guys soon. Love you all.